Hello friends! Have you ever wanted to create a stunning, eye-catching photo collage using your own pictures? Well, you're in the right place. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a fun and creative way to turn your favorite images into a beautiful 2024 photo collage, perfect for year-end projects, memories, or social media posts. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Add the text. First, we'll begin by adding the text 2024 to our Canva design. Make the text big enough to cover the entire canvas. This will serve as the main frame for your collage. Now, choose a bold, stylish font that fits your design vibe. Once your text looks good, click on Share, then select Download. Don't forget to enable transparent background. This step is available with Canva Pro. If you don't have Canva Pro, don't worry. You can use a free tool called remove.bg to remove the background and make your image transparent. Adjust the image size as needed and go ahead and download it. Step 2. Split the image. Next, go to the image splitting tool I've linked in the video description. Upload the transparent image you just created. You'll find multiple options to split your image. I recommend choosing the split line method. It lets you manually place horizontal and vertical lines exactly where you want to divide the image. After placing your lines, click Start to split the image. Before downloading, make sure Order by Number is selected. Now download the zip file and extract all the image pieces. These pieces are what will turn into frames. Step 3. Convert image pieces into frames. Open Canva again and add a new blank page. Start by dragging and dropping the first image piece onto the canvas. Now we'll convert each piece into a photo frame. To do that, go to Apps in Canva and search for FrameMaker. Inside FrameMaker, select the Convert option. This allows you to transform any image into a frame. This feature is part of Canva Pro, but there's a free trial available. I've linked the trial in the video description for you. Once the trial is active, click Convert, set the size to the maximum, and enable the transparent background option. Be sure to select the current page and then export. Your image piece will now be turned into a frame. Copy this frame and paste it back into your original design, placing it in the same position as the original image piece. Repeat this process for all remaining pieces. Make sure everything aligns properly to recreate the full 2024 layout. Step 4. Add your photos. Once all the pieces are converted into frames and arranged correctly, delete any extra pages you used. Then go to the main design and remove the original text layer behind everything. Now for the fun part, it's time to add your photos. You can use your own pictures or explore Canva's Elements and Photos library for amazing stock images. Drag and drop a photo into each frame. You can resize and adjust them as needed until everything looks perfect. To make your collage stand out even more, you can add spacing between the pieces. Change the background color, include fun design elements, stickers or icons. I've made a couple of sample collages for inspiration. Feel free to get creative with your own style. And that's it, your amazing 2024 photo collage is ready. I hope you enjoyed this creative Canva tutorial. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more design ideas. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.